Buongiorno everybody. Today I'm going to be discussing about the crypto market, Bitcoin, but also I'm going to show you the price action and analysis of Solana and XRP so we can have a clear picture of what could be happening in the markets for the next week. But before we continue, guys, if you don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it's going to really help heaps. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates every single day and week, because we post videos 3 or 4 times every single week. But let's cut the chase, guys, and now let's get straight away into the chart so I can show you exactly what's going to be happening now with Bitcoin and the crypto market. Now, I'm going to go straight away on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what's happening right now. So I'm going to go now straight away into Bitcoin. I'm going to get on the weekly chart so I can show you what I think is going to be happening now in the next in the next week. Just to bear in mind, guys, there's a very important event which is coming next week, which is a CPI report, which means that the Federal Reserve is going to read if inflation is actually coming down in the US, and that is going to determine if inflation comes up or down. Is going to determine if the Fed is going to keep rising rates or they're going to stop to do that. Because of course, if inflation is going to come higher, they might talk about putting further rate hikes, which could be very bearish for stocks and crypto. But if inflation is still okay, then they're going to probably pause interest rates, which could be bullish for crypto. But again, I think that September, in terms of seasonality, it's usually quite bearish for stocks because the institutions are still on holiday, and therefore we could see further downside with Bitcoin. But I'm going to show you more into the chart. Now, I'm going to go into the weekly chart. I can show you what's happening over here. Now, on the weekly chart, you can see straight away that Bitcoin has formed what we call the double top over here. So we have a double top here, one top over here, and then we have a neckline over here, right? So at the moment it looks quite bearish, right? It doesn't look like it's actually trying to go up again. So if this scenario plays out, guys, of course, what you can do, you can check how low you could go with this simple method thing, right? So you're gonna go here, then you can calculate, you put the line from the top of the double top and also the neckline, and then you can drag it over here, put it this way, and it looks like exactly where it's actually going at $22,000 ish. And the funny thing, right, if I also calculate with the Fibonacci retracement, I'm gonna retrace up to here, the 0.618 Fibonacci corresponds to the $21,600. So to me, I believe that's by 18th of September, so the next 12 days, that's probably the target that I can see Bitcoin to go to. Of course, it's not going to go down in a straight line like that, but that's the expectation. So I'm going to show you better what I think is going to happen maybe in the weekly. Again, guys, no financial advice. I'm just giving you my whole idea. But before we continue, guys, with the CTA community, I didn't mention I'm actually the head mentor of a company called Crypto Trading Academy CTA. What we do, we provide cryptocurrency trading education, and we teach how to build the crypto market, because it's quite overwhelming to see all of that, right? So what we do, we offer a 2 days live event where we pretty much help you how to trade. Last month we have 120 people signed up. Everybody got so euphoric. Everybody now is making money, and we did something crazy. We actually did a free masterclass. Now it's roughly 40 minutes of your time. That's I'm going to reveal to you a few tips and tricks that you can utilize straight away whenever you are you're trading crypto. And it's pretty much if you want to access to the free masterclass, it's going to be it's going to be in the description below. So click on the free masterclass, enjoy, because it's completely for free, right? But now let's go back into the Bitcoin so I can show you straight away from here. So as you can see, we have an interesting scenario here on the daily. That's we're just going down. We have a double top over here, and Bitcoin to become bullish again, right? It has to pretty much recoil and break this level of resistance over here, right? So from this way over here, we need to break this level at roughly $28,000. So if this one is we're going to be able to break it, then we're probably going to climb back again to $32,000. But if this doesn't happen, guys, we're going to go further down. So again, if I had to give you one piece of prediction for the next 2 weeks, right? What I'm expecting is Bitcoin to form what we call the double bottom. Okay, so one bottom here and then maybe another bottom over here at 27,500. But then after this is going to go against this line of resistance, and then it's going to continue to go down with a target of roughly 22,000, 23,000, then a bit of a pullback again, and then boom, down to $22,000 again. But is that actually bearish? Well, I would say that short term it can be bearish, but guys, in the next 4 to 6 months, I'm extremely bullish, because with all the good news coming with the ETF as well. The next one I want to talk about, guys, today, which is very important, is Solana. Solana has been in an interesting situation right now. I mean, look at this chart over here, guys. It's been completely slammed because after FTX and all this, shit that happened, Solana just got completely crashed. But the thing is, Solana looks, in my opinion, bullish short term, because look at the chart, right? We are entering now like a cycle called depression phase, where pretty much is the price is completely on the floor, right? So with Solana, we could actually calculate how much, when we're gonna see a rebound by doing this simple thing over here. So what you can do from here, you can just draw a line from here, connect these dots over here, and then it could be the case that Solana could actually retrace down to $16, $17. But guys, this is going to be a crazy buying opportunity, because if Solana is going to break to the upside, guys, I mean, look at this. Look at the chart over here. So if it's going to break to the upside, then what it's going to see is this. I'm going to put this line of resistance as well. You're going to see an explosion to the upside, because that's what you can do. You can go from here, and it looks like it's forming almost like a descending wedge. And when this is going to be broken, guys, when this is going to be broken, it's going to go to the upside from here. The first level of resistance Solana is going to encounter is going to be here. And the next one is going to be here. So now we are at $20. The first one is going to be at 87, the next one is going to be 140. So it's pretty much a 4x or even a 7x from here, so which is absolutely insane. So again, I'm very bullish on Solana, but again, I don't think it's going to happen straight away. So first of all, I'm putting money into Bitcoin, and then we're going to put them into Solana, because remember, institutions always put the money in Bitcoin first and then put them into the altcoins. So be careful with that. And the next one I want to talk about today, and the final one, is going to be XRP, guys. XRP, I don't know if you saw the news, but it looks like there are experts predicting that it's going to be a XRP spot ETF. And if that happens, I mean, it's going to be insane. XRP is in an interesting situation right now, because as you can see, we had this big spike to the upside after the decision of the SEC with them. They won the SEC case that it wasn't a security. So it spiked to the upside to $1, and now has retraced down again back to 45 cents. And my expectation will be two things, right? Could be that XRP could be forming now, could be go down here and forming like a higher low, touching maybe the 45 cents, and then is going to push up again to the upside this way, or is going to go down over here and then forming a double bottom. Okay, for the double bottom, then it could go up to the upside. But again, even with XRP, extremely bullish at the moment. Okay, sorry, not at the moment, extremely bullish for the next 4 to 6 months, but at the moment a little bit bearish, because if Bitcoins goes down, guys, I mean, we're going to go down also with the XRP and with the whole crypto market. And also with XRP, to go see if it's going to be like in a bearish scenario, I also could be expecting to go down to maybe 34 cents, 30 cents, which is going to be the, I think, the bottom. I think that after that, we're not going to see a number like this anymore. So to summarize the whole thing, guys, Bitcoin short term, I'm a little bit bearish for the next 12, 14 weeks. I'm expecting a pullback down to maybe $22,000, but then in the next 4 to 6 months, the ETF, I'm pretty sure, is going to come up, and you could push the price to maybe $60,000, $70,000, $80,000. Very difficult to define. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope it was helpful. And if you have a question, leave a comment down below. And we post, every single 3 times a week, we post videos about crypto and about trading. And just don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also to join the free masterclass. Super important, because really it's going to be a life-changing event. I hope you have a good day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.